looking over pictures of you. It's kinda funny when you think about the shit we've been through. It's like, I ain't famous, but shit, you still support me and you still stuck around when conversations got boring. So for that I gotta thank you. I don't show too much appreciation. If you had my back, just know that I appreciate you. This for every freestyle that I spit at them football games, surrounded by tons of kids. Yo, I got you. I'ma put this city on the map, and you know I really mean it since I said it on a track. All it really took was one too many times. Picked last, pissed off, cause all I wanna do is give back. So get back, cause I'm on one. I'm back up on that bullshit. Everybody's got a talent, I just choose to use it. Had to face my fears before I felt it in my soul. It's like I had to face defeat before I really felt my soul. You get it? And I know I like to say that I'm a legend. I don't say that cause I'm cocky, man, I said it cause I meant it. When you feel it in your heart with every breath that you take, is when you know in due time that you destined to make it. It's like they one and the same. It's destiny, fate. It's like I'm staring eye to eye right into destiny's face. Now I ain't Destiny's Child, but I need you to say my name one time if you with me before recognition came. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And life's too short to wait. Oh no, oh no. And life's too short to wait. Oh no, oh no. Oh no, this for my mom, I had to save this for you. I kept the cussing to a minimum, the better your view of your son. Mom, your son gon' shine, and yo, I promise I'ma take care of the family, especially your daughter. I know you working hard to live the life that we deserve, but no, I'm working even harder for success within these words. People don't understand, it's more than a verse, it's more than a hit song, it's more than a purse, it's more than a belt. See, this is more than the wealth, this is for every single second we was living in that hell. When daddy left the family and no one could help, and there was no one to depend on, not even yourself. I was there, I feel it, I know that it hurt, but it taught me no matter where you at, it can always be worse. So when times get tough, I ain't even gon' stress. I mean, come on, after all, I was raised by the best. And life's too short to wait.